What's up, beautiful people? I'm Sophia. Today's video is a hair review, a wig review. This hair is from Mild Wild Wigs. You can find them at mildwild.com. They reached out to me to review a unit for you guys, and I chose a 613 unit because I've been wanting to try a 613 for the longest time, and it's summer and we all know blondes have the most fun. This unit is different from any hair I have ever tried in terms of the color, so I was really excited to try this hair, and I'm very excited to give you guys all the deets on this hair. Before we get into the video and all the deets on this hair, please make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Now, first off, this hair is synthetic. I know it doesn't look synthetic, it doesn't feel synthetic, but it is a synthetic lace front wig. This wig is a full lace wig. It is made of premium canicolone fiber. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This hair feels very, very soft. Before I even get into the hair, let's just talk about the packaging. This hair came packaged so nicely. I have never received anything, not even clothes, not even shoes, that were packaged as nicely as this hair. Like, I am obsessed with the box it came with. I do have the box stored. I can't in good conscience throw out the box. It's very beautiful. It came all wrapped in ribbons. It was like Valentine's Day. You can tell the packaging was well thought out, and inside the box came with the hair, of course. It came with a couple wig caps. It came with jewelry. It came with this necklace I have on, which is absolutely beautiful. It's just a little heart with a heartbeat on the inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it's in gold. It also came with a soap scented flower in purple lavender, which is one of my favorite colors. Now, getting into the hair is really soft. There were no tangles, no shedding. It was just silky soft, and even till now I have had this hair on for about a week. I'll say, yeah, 6-7 days, and it still feels just as soft as the very first day I got it. I don't know much about canicolone fiber wigs, but I can say this wig feels amazing. I mean, the texture of it, everything is just bomb, guys. The hair came with your usual adjustable straps, about 4 adjustable straps on the inside. They also give you a little Velcro strap, which I have on. This wig is actually big hair friendly. I do have, as you can see, some space in the back. I got this wig in the size medium. I think that's the generic size on the website, and I still have a lot of space, so I had to attach the Velcro strap on the sides, and yeah, it just feels quite snug. It doesn't feel too tight, it just feels right. Now, this wig is a fake scalp wig, so it comes with some kind of invisible lace netting. I don't really know how it works, but it's just clear, just an invisible scalp. I'd say it's about 22 inches long. On the website it says the density is about 250% density. I can't really gauge the density of wigs, to be very honest with you guys, but I can tell you the hair is very full. This lace frontal is a 13x6, so you do have about 6 inches of parting space. I haven't applied any concealer foundation to this area, so you can see what it looks like. Now, installing this hair was quite easy. I just used my Got2b glue gel and my Got2b glue free spray. The free spray I found is very, very important in terms of laying or melting down the lace. The hair glues down very easily. The lace is very pliable or workable, and it's very soft. That's another thing I like about the wig. The lace is not itchy. It just feels really, really good for a synthetic wig. It feels just as good as your normal lace fronts. The only issue I had with laying down this wig was trying to get the lace to kind of blend into my skin or melt down into my skin, and I found that using a little bit of the free spray just helps it melt down a lot. I also suggest tying it down like real tight for a good 5 to 10 minutes. That also helps. And then I also went in with a little bit of my foundation just at the edges here. The hair also comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, but I don't think baby hairs do a lot of justice when it comes to colored wigs or 613. But what I did was just go in with a little comb, a small tooth comb, and just brush the hairs nicely on the lace. I applied a little bit of concealer to the part, but I found I looked a little bit messy, kind of stained, so I had to clean it off again with just some makeup wipes. And that's another thing about this hair. I do find that my foundation tends to stain the hair, but I always just go in with some makeup wipes and just clean off the areas that are stained, and it's good to go again. I installed the hair the first couple times without tinting the lace, and it looked good, but it was as natural as I like my wigs to look, so I did go in with some tinted spray. I used this one from Ebin. I just tinted the perimeter, the edges of the lace just in front. I did nothing to the back. I just let it dry down in a couple minutes, and I just used my got2b glue and the freeze spray, pinned everything down, and that was it. Now, the only minor issue I experienced with this hair is the amount of flyaways, but that was easily fixed. All I had to do was just go in with some hair wax or some flyaway tamer. And I've had this hair on and off for 6-7 days. I have slept in it with a satin bonnet on, of course, but I still have no tangles, nothing in the back. It's still just as good as the very first day that I got it, and that pretty much just tells me it's not like any synthetic wig out there, because I usually do not. I try not to sleep in my synthetic wigs because that's just, you know, begging for tangling. When it comes to shedding, there's been barely, I just get a couple strands here and there sometimes, and that's it. Now, just combing out my hair today, this is all the shedding that I've got. The only other issue I think I may experience with time is the ends. Like any synthetic wig, you see how the ends are kind of frayed, so I'll probably just have to chop off the ends once in a while just to keep them nice and cute. Now, in terms of price, this hair retails on the website for $129.90, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll leave the right amount on the screen, but it does say there that that's the sale price, and the original price is about $259 and change, so let's say $260 US. I do think $260 is way too pricey for the wig, but the sale price $129 or let's say $130 US. It's still a little bit pricey, but this is one of those cases where you spend a lot to get a lot. Everything from the box itself down to the hair, everything is very high quality, so you're getting exactly what you pay for. I think this wig would be really cute in a dark brown, in a T4, but I am still very thankful for this wig. I just love how different it makes me look. I like to switch it up. I don't like to look the same all the time, so I'm glad I had this added to my collection. I think that's really all for this wig. The only thing I'm missing is shipping. Shipping was very quick. I got it in about 1 to 2 business days. I'm not sure if the company expedited it because I had to do a review for you guys, but I got it real quick. I just wish I got it in the black. If I do have some coins, I will certainly go back and get it in the black. This is one of those synthetic wigs you can wear and wear and wear, and it's gonna last you a long time. But that's pretty much it for this week, guys. That's all I have got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did find it helpful, please make sure to give this video a like, and if you're new here or if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.